anything, no money or credit. If the market is about to crash, should we wait before purchasing a turnkey? This question, I feel like, is the most popular question on all of the real estate platforms right now, not necessarily about turnkeys, but just in general, like, should I wait? Here's the answer is I don't know. I wish I knew, but what I can tell you is that we don't know if the market's about to crash. There's a lot of speculation, but the way the market's going right now, this could go on for the next 10 or 15 years. A lot of people have started rumors about a crash. A lot of people have ideas that it's going to crash, and they can come up with the reasons why. It's like, well, the stock market's doing this. Well, lenders are doing this, and you put all these equations together, and don't worry, we're going to have a crash next year. Well, I've also been hearing that for a couple of years, and again, we could be in the exact same spot for the next 10 to 15 years. So the thing about if a crash, so in a market like right now where the prices are high, you want to buy for cash flow, because if you're buying for appreciation, you're speculating, and where's all the appreciation going to come from if we're at the peak of the market? We don't know if we're at the peak, but in theory, we're close. So it's tough because none of the markets are really scheduled for a lot of appreciation right now. The bird keys are kind of nice for this right now because you are buying under value, and then you are cash out refining at a higher value, hopefully. But if you wait, you could be waiting forever, all the while not investing. So I know it's not as optimal as during a crash when everything's on sale, but you know, if the cash flow is solid and the market is solid, I think it's not so much an issue. If those two things are in place, you don't so much have to worry about the market crashing and you losing your investment, because you're going to probably sustain it. Like that's okay. More of my thought when I think about things like this is, how good of a deal am I getting? And the reality is, you're not going to get as good a deal right now as you would in a crash. But again, if it sits in the bank for the next 10 years making nothing, then, you know. So the answer is, I don't know, but I can caution you about waiting, because we could be waiting a very long time.